Hello to everyone. Today we are here in the first interview of many, in which we will introduce CoinReference. Today we are here with our friend Adrian from the CoinReference team. How are you?
Hello, Sammy. Nice to be here presenting CoinReference and TheWeek.
Well, that's perfect. Before talking about this event, we have to understand what CoinReference is and what it has as its main objective. What is CoinReference?
Yeah, for sure. So, first of all, we have to understand what the problems CoinReference solve. CoinReference aims to solve one of the biggest, problems of decentralized information. When you search for decentralized information, first of all, you have many tabs open to search information of different projects. Many different projects and blockchain to be updated and to be updated for this news. And don't miss the latest market news, the latest ecosystem updates for your favorite projects, and always be informed about great projects like, Info, Sora, Ayuna, Polkadot Kusama. You have to be always and constantly updated for these amazing ecosystems. So, we are trying to centralize all of this decentralized information in only one area, the CoinReference, giving our users a definitive tool with multiple areas to search, manage and organize all kinds of information. So, CoinReference is a unique area for the user. The user that tries to get involved in this amazing blockchain world and tries to get the latest news in only one place of the favorite projects in these ecosystems of the blockchain. So yeah, that's the problem that CoinReference solve, and that's what CoinReference solve. In CoinReference we have 2 points of views and 2 main points. The first one is the information, because all the information that we provide in the CoinReference is totally objective without any type of financial advice, because we give our users the best financial information tool. And then the utility. CoinReference is a free area, free of ads and accessible worldwide, with amount of useful information for the investor, making this necessary for any users in the world. So yeah, now talking about the platform. The platform is you can enter CoinReference anywhere and anytime. CoinReference is completely free and without any type of ads, as I mentioned before. And we have several things that CoinReference have itself. Have the articles and news section, the coin list, the market and blockchain section, and new things that will come soon. So yeah, that's what we are trying to do at CoinReference, and yeah.
Wow.
We hope that you all like it.
Yes, that's right. Yes, of course. We have seen that it's an idea that proposed to solve current problems. But apart of the main purpose of CoinReference, do you plan to expand in other directions or do new things?
Yeah, for sure. CoinReference has amazing projects opened, source of ideas. For example, we are trying to build a new NFT collection. NFTs collections, because we're trying to build a new mythology and gods NFT collection built on the Share network. But for now, it's too early to talk about this. But stay tuned in our official network. And yeah, CoinReference tries to create an ecosystem where unifying, creating, and with that spirit of connection that we tries to keep, for example, in the TheWeek. This all the information and all the users and all the projects have to be connected and have to create a major community. This is what we are trying to do and build on CoinReference.
Wow, definitely CoinReference. It seems to be an amazing project, and I think that the initiative of the project is incredible. Well, once we know and understand what is CoinReference, we can see that it really is an amazing project. Let's talk about this event, which gives a lot to talk about. First, the first question, and the most important in my opinion, what is the TheWeek event?
Yeah, for sure. The week event is it's an amazing event in which we intend to create a unique space totally free and non-profit for the team for all people who want to know about these amazing projects that will be with us in the event. Uh, with the spirit of connection, we, as all the CoinReference ecosystem, we are trying to connect and share these amazing projects to the world, to the users of blockchain, and as they can learn and connect to these communities and to these amazing projects. And for sure, the event does not have any type of financial advice, and you always have to do your own research. Always.
Okay, Adrian, thank you for this explanation. I think that the week event is definitely a great experience for the users and a great opportunity for the CoinReference ecosystem. And now, if we can know it, in what are you working?
Yeah, for sure. At CoinReference, we are working now at several projects. As I said, we are working on NFT collection about mythology and gods, built on a social network. We are building the next TheWeek adventure. That it will be the same as this event, but more complex, more in detail, with a lot of new utilities, with a lot of new projects, and for sure there will be the same speakers as in the first. But you will have another and a lot of new, projects of different blockchains here with us in the week event too. So stay tuned in our social networks because we will announce it soon as this event concludes. We are pretty excited for the week event, and we pretend to create, an amazing space here because we love our community and we love the users that we are listening us, and yeah, enjoy please the week event. And in the other hand, we have another two new products developed on the CoinReference ecosystem. First of all, we are building in the Minecraft gaming. We are building a metaverse where you can socialize and with each other, create a space where where everyone can connect and can have a great experience with the Summer World. It's dedicated to Summer World because we are working with our friends of the Summer Hub and a lot of amazing projects that are in the Summer World. Imagine you in the game of Minecraft, a game that who don't have Minecraft. I mean, in a world where you can take a walk with your friends and see the house of your amazing project, of your project that you are in, or a project that you want to know about this project, and you can enter this house and see all the people, all the photos, all the information about this project, and get to know about it. So yeah, that's the spirit of this wall. And in the other hand, we are proud to announce our new version, the version 1.0. We hope you will love it. We bring new patches and implementation for the world of Dotsama and our friends at Shura, along with a new variety of features and a simple, more attractive and beautiful design. So yeah, that's what we are currently working at the CoinReference ecosystem. Please stay tuned, and yeah, I think that's it.
Yes, we have seen that you have a lot of work these days. I am really impressed about the idea of doing a metaverse inside the Minecraft game. Can you explain that a little bit more, please?
Yeah, for sure. We are working together with Dotsama Hub. Dotsama Hub is an amazing source of news for the Dotsama ecosystem and an amazing family. We are working with them, creating an amazing space where you will create, teach, and learn for sure about amazing project that will have a house. The house will be their own plot where they can share whatever they want and create some interviews with another project of the metaverse and creating a comfortable space inside the metaverse of Minecraft. Later, we will see some more news coming to this amazing space, because we are constantly updating this metaverse, and we will be constantly updating it with new features, with real-time, events. And if you want to hold a big, an enormous event, you have our theater. Our theater is an enormous zone where you can hold amazing interviews, like for example TheWeek event 2. Imagine TheWeek event 2 in an enormous theater, like a coliseum, but where people can listen in real time the interview with another projects. This is the objective of the theater, to bring the interviews more closer to the people and in real time, and for sure in a totally free, that is Minecraft game. The server is constantly in developing, and we are doing our best to carry on this, and yeah, I think that it's quite amazing.
Yes, of course. The idea of the theater is really amazing. And talking about the week event, when we are going to start?
Yeah, so Sammy, the week event starts right now, and yeah, for sure, see you in only 2 hours in our first interview with SUBSOCIAL. And please enjoy the week event.